Welcome to HerbNerd TV. Today we're delving into the powerful world of herbs and how they can support your journey to recover from adrenal fatigue. Adrenal fatigue is a condition that arises when your adrenal glands, which produce hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, become overworked and unable to function optimally. This can lead to symptoms like chronic fatigue, difficulty handling stress, weakened immunity, and disrupted sleep patterns. While lifestyle changes such as improving sleep, reducing stress, and eating a balanced diet are crucial, herbs can play a significant role in supporting adrenal recovery by restoring balance and enhancing the body's resilience. Let's explore some of the most effective herbs for adrenal fatigue recovery. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera. Ashwagandha is a renowned adaptogen that helps the body adapt to stress. It supports adrenal function by balancing cortisol levels and reducing anxiety and fatigue. 1. Benefits: enhances energy levels, improves sleep quality, and supports cognitive function. 2. Usage: available in capsules, powders, or as a tincture. 2. A common dosage is 500 ml taken twice daily. Rhodiola rosea. Rhodiola is another powerful adaptogen known for its ability to combat fatigue and enhance mental performance. 1. Benefits: increases stamina, reduces mental fatigue, and improves mood. 2. Usage: typically taken in capsule or tablet form, with dosages ranging from 200 ml to 400 ml per day. Holy basil, Ocimum sanctum, also known as Tulsi. Holy basil is revered in Ayurvedic medicine for its stress-relieving properties and ability to support overall well-being. 1. Benefits: reduces stress, supports immune function, and promotes mental clarity. 2. Usage: can be consumed as a tea in capsule form or as an extract. 2. Drinking 1-2 cups of holy basil tea daily is common. Licorice root, Glycyrrhiza glabra. Licorice root supports adrenal health by prolonging the effects of cortisol, the stress hormone, thus reducing the need for the adrenal glands to produce more. 1. Benefits: balances cortisol levels, supports digestive health, and enhances energy. 2. Usage: available as teas, tinctures, or capsules. 2. It's important to use licorice root under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as excessive use can lead to elevated blood pressure. Schisandra chinensis. Schisandra is an adaptogenic berry that supports the adrenal glands and enhances the body's ability to handle stress. 1. Benefits: improves energy, supports liver function, and enhances endurance. 2. Usage: consumed as a tincture, powder, or in capsule form. 2. A typical dosage is 1 teaspoon of Schisandra powder mixed into water or juice daily. Eleuthero, Eleutherococcus senticosus, also known as Siberian Ginseng Eleuthero, helps improve the body's resistance to stress and boosts overall vitality. 1. Benefits: enhances physical performance, supports immune function, and reduces fatigue. 2. Usage: available in capsules, teas, or tinctures. 2. The recommended dosage is usually 300-400 ml taken twice daily. How to incorporate these herbs into your routine. 1. Herbal teas. Incorporate ashwagandha, holy basil, or eleuthero into your daily tea routine for a soothing and stress-relieving beverage. 2. Supplements. Take rhodiola, schisandra, or licorice root in capsule or tincture form for consistent dosing throughout the day. 3. Smoothies. Add powdered forms of these herbs into your morning smoothies for an easy and nutritious boost. A few important considerations. 1. Consult a healthcare professional. Before starting any new herbal regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications, consult with a healthcare provider. 2. Quality matters. Choose high-quality, reputable brands to ensure you're getting pure and potent herbs without unwanted additives. 3. Start slowly. Begin with the lowest recommended dose to see how your body responds and gradually increase if needed. Lifestyle tips to support adrenal recovery. And prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to recover and regenerate. 2. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. 3. Balanced nutrition. Eat a diet rich in whole foods, including plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support overall health. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and functioning optimally. Conclusion. Herbal remedies can be a powerful ally in your journey to recover from adrenal fatigue. By incorporating these adaptogenic herbs into your daily routine, you can support your adrenal glands, enhance your resilience to stress, and restore your energy levels naturally. Thanks for tuning in to HerbNerd TV. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more herbal insights. Stay balanced, stay healthy, and we'll see you next time.